Welcome back, future millionaires. Today, we're going to talk about 15 businesses that you can start for cheap or even for free. Starting a business can be tough, especially if you're just starting out and don't have a lot of money to invest. But remember, success isn't just about money. It's about the time and effort you put into it. Subscribing to our channel is one of your first steps to your own financial freedom. And stick around for a secret bonus tip at the end of the video that you might not have considered. Now, let's explore the 15 businesses you can start on a budget. 1. Market a crazy idea and get people to back you up. Effective marketing is key to the success of any business. Even if your product isn't exceptional, a compelling vibe can still attract customers. One of the key strategies of Cards Against Humanity's marketing has been its focus on attention-grabbing and often unconventional campaigns. For instance, during the 2017 Super Bowl, they aired a 30-second advertisement that simply showed a potato, deviating from the typical high-budget Super Bowl commercials. Their marketing tactics are recognized for their ability to create buzz and engage audiences in unusual ways. 2. Create specific content for people on Patreon. Patreon provides a platform for creators to receive financial support from their fans. It allows you to deliver exclusive content to your dedicated followers and build a community around your work. Successful creators like Phil Eady, Sam Harris, and Kurzgesagt have leveraged Patreon to generate over $500,000 in support from their followers, enabling them to remain independent and continue creating valuable content. 3. Build a cosmetics brand. The beauty industry offers immense opportunities for starting your own makeup brand. Jeffree Star, for example, turned his remaining $4,000 into a small run of lip glosses, which he sold through his YouTube channel. By reinvesting the profits, he built Jeffree Star Cosmetics into a multi-million-dollar company that generates between $100 and $150 million in annual revenue. Kylie Jenner also capitalized on the beauty industry by leveraging her family fame and social media, following to create a billion-dollar makeup empire. 4. Course building. Online courses have become a popular way to share knowledge and skills. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera allow you to create and sell your own courses. You can structure your expertise in a way that helps others solve problems or acquire new skills. Lynda.com and Pluralsight are notable success stories in the e-learning space. Linda Weinman, the founder of Lynda.com, started by recording her art lessons, eventually growing her business to generate over $100 million in revenue before selling it to LinkedIn for $1.5 billion. 5. Start a blog and build an audience. A blog serves as an invaluable educational and branding tool. It not only helps you gain new skills, but also forces you to learn how to brand, promote, drive traffic, monetize, and build a business. While social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook can be useful, having your own blog provides more control and ownership over your content. Platforms like WordPress or Blogger make it easy to start a blog and build an audience. 6. Event or holiday planner. Outsourcing event planning and holiday arrangements has become increasingly common. Companies like Yes Girls and Proposers specialize in creating perfect proposals and dream holiday experiences for their clients. By identifying specific needs and offering tailored services, you can tap into the demand for personalized event planning. Additionally, private concierge services have emerged, taking care of everything from activities to accommodations for individuals seeking hassle-free vacations. 7. Publish your own book. Self-publishing has revolutionized the book industry, allowing aspiring authors to bypass traditional publishing routes. Platforms like Amazon enable you to write and sell your book as an ebook, reaching a global audience without the need for printing physical copies. E.L. James is a prime example of self-publishing success, as her book 50 Shades of Grey went on to sell over 125 million copies worldwide and spawn a successful movie franchise. 8. Tutor kids. Parents are willing to invest in their children's education, creating opportunities for tutors. Offering tutoring services in subjects like math, science, or even video games can be a lucrative venture. Interestingly, some parents are even willing to pay for tutors to help their kids improve their skills in popular video games like Fortnite. This reflects the evolving market and the desire for children to explore alternative career paths like esports. 9. Freelancing your skills. Freelancing allows you to gain experience and potentially transition into full-fledged entrepreneurship or secure a job you love. Web design, writing, editing, programming, and other skills are in high demand. Platforms like Freelancer and Upwork offer opportunities to connect with clients seeking your expertise. Many successful advertising agencies, for instance, started as a collaboration of freelancers before growing into full-fledged businesses. 10. Dropshipping on your own online store. Dropshipping offers a low-risk way to start an online store without the need for inventory management. By partnering with suppliers who handle production, packaging, and delivery, you can focus on marketing and promoting your products. Shopify is a popular platform that makes it easy to set up an online store and get paid. Influencers like Greta Van Riel have built million-dollar businesses using the dropshipping model, where they leverage their social media presence to drive sales. 11. Airbnb co-hosting. Becoming an Airbnb co-host allows you to manage other people's properties and earn a percentage of the rental income. By taking care of guest communication and ensuring a smooth rental experience, you can earn money without the upfront costs associated with owning a property. Successful co-hosts manage multiple properties, building a business around providing exceptional hosting services. 12. Flipping goods. Flipping involves buying items at a low price and reselling them at a higher price. Whether it's sneakers, vintage clothing, or real estate, understanding the value of items can lead to profitable reselling. Sophia Amoruso, the founder of Nasty Gal, started by reselling second-hand clothes on eBay. Through her knack for spotting valuable items and leveraging online platforms, she built a business that generated over $300 million in sales. 13. Social media management. Many companies struggle to maintain an effective social media presence. By offering your expertise as a social media manager, you can help businesses build their brand and grow their online presence. Social media management involves more than just posting pictures. It requires a deep understanding of branding strategies and growth funnels. Successful social media managers like Gary Vaynerchuk have built multi-million-dollar companies by helping brands navigate the ever-changing social media landscape. 14. Online and offline tech support. As technology becomes more integral to our lives, there is a growing demand for tech support services, especially among older generations. Offering tech support, either remotely or in person, can be a lucrative business. Many older individuals prefer telephone support, making it important to cater to their specific needs. By helping them troubleshoot issues and navigate new technologies, you can provide a valuable service and earn income. 15. Start a consulting company. If you possess specialized knowledge or expertise in a specific field, starting a consulting company can be a lucrative business opportunity. Companies are willing to pay for insights and advice to improve their operations. Consulting can encompass a wide range of industries and disciplines, from marketing and strategy to finance and IT. Successful consultants like Neil Patel have built highly successful businesses by offering their expertise to clients. As promised, here's a bonus tip for watching to the end. 16. Beware of becoming a life coach or business coach without sufficient experience. It's important to approach the fields of life coaching and business coaching with caution. Many individuals are drawn to these roles without having their own lives or businesses in order. It's easy to think that you can become a motivational speaker or teach others how to optimize and run their businesses, but it's crucial to have real experience and expertise before offering guidance to others. Instead, focus on solving your own problems and achieving personal success. Real entrepreneurs let their work speak for itself and avoid falling into the trap of becoming a coach without substantial experience. Remember, starting any business requires hard work, dedication, and a strong understanding of your target market. Choose a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and market demand. And most importantly, take action and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.